Hey guys, welcome to Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris and today I'll be presenting this beautiful BMW 2026 i4 eDrive40. It comes with the M Sport pack. Now today I'll show you some exterior and interior features of the car here. So as we head to the front, we see the M Sport badge here. As well as that, we have your upgraded 18-inch M Sport alloys with your blue M Sport brake caliper. To the front here, we have your new LCI BMW adaptive LED headlights, as well as your iconic BMW kidney grills for the i4. We have your M Sport styling bumper. To the side here, as you can see, the window trim is finished in high gloss black. Now, as we head to the back, I'll show you guys the boot. Has automatic open and close functionalities. Then, as you can see, for a four-door car, you have a lot of storage space here. And then if we pull the latch here, we have extra storage space for your storage needs and charging equipment. Now the automatic close function. Nice. This car comes with rear privacy glass, as you can see here. Now, as we come into the rear interior of the car, the interior is finished in black leather. We have your ISOFIX child safety support system here. We have two climate vents for your climate controls. We have some extra storage as well on your left hand side and your right hand side rear passenger doors. So now we're in the front driver's seat of the car. Ahead of me, you can see here we have your flat bottom leather M Sport steering wheel. This steering wheel, on the left hand side, we have your adaptive cruise control and cruise control settings. On the right hand side here, we have your media settings. Ahead of the steering wheel, we have your M Sport speedometer. To the left hand side here, we have your main infotainment system. This infotainment system comes fully automatic touchscreen and also has Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So now here's your navigation settings. Here is your media settings. Then of course, this is your reverse parking camera and your reverse parking assist. Now as we head down from the main infotainment system, we have your climate control zone here. Underneath there, we have your two cup holder space, port for charging, space to put your phone. We have your gear and transmission here with your modes Sport, Comfort and Eco Pro, as well as extra storage here in the mid glove box. This beautiful 2026 BMW i4 is available for purchase across our various car selling websites, as well as the Joe Duffy website itself. All of our BMW approved used cars come with a standard 2-year warranty. If you guys have any more questions or queries, please feel free to reach out to us here at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chris. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.